Why buy a Morso EH? Operation is effortless. Save your knees, work for longer. It's much faster than foot-operated models, so it'll speed up your production. And the twin-button activation makes it super safe. Easily adjust for most moulding widths. Hydraulic clamps hold the moulding firmly and consistently in place for a super accurate cut. Efficiently cut wider or narrower mouldings. Unlike a saw, it's quiet and dust-free, and there's no need for an air supply. Find out more or arrange a demo at lionpick.co.uk.